In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between light and dark theme in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, teams, and tasks, and having the ability to personalize your interface can make your workflow even smoother. Whether you prefer a light, bright workspace or a sleek, dark environment, Trello allows you to quickly toggle between themes to suit your style or reduce screen glare in different lighting conditions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make those adjustments in just a few clicks. To get started, open Trello and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Trello dashboard, locate your profile icon. It's easy to find. Just look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu or sidebar will appear. From this menu, look for the theme option. It might take a moment to spot it, but it's usually listed among other customization settings. Once you see it, click on it to open the theme settings. Now, you'll have two options in front of you, light mode and dark mode. If you enjoy a brighter interface, go ahead and select light mode. On the other hand, if you prefer a darker, more subdued look, choose dark mode. Simply click on your preferred option and watch as Trello instantly updates the theme for you. It's that quick. One of the great things about Trello is how flexible it is. If you ever want to switch back to the other theme, it's just as simple. You can repeat these steps. Click on your profile icon, select the theme option, and choose between light mode or dark mode. Feel free to toggle back and forth as needed to find what works best for you in the moment. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start customizing your workspace today. And that's it. Switching between themes in Trello is easy and takes only a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.